You've heard James say it a million times. Respect the Polygon. At Weather Call, we make the Polygon better. We call, text, or email you so you'll always know when you're in danger. No matter who you are, there's a Weather Call solution right for you. Check us out at weathercallservices.com.
It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Thursday, the 2nd of May. I'm James Spann. For some places, this could be the warmest day so far this year. Highs upper 80s today. Some spots may be touching 90. And then a chance of showers tonight, tomorrow, and over the weekend. But again, not a washout, but many questions about the weekend. A lot of new data in. So let's talk about it. This is where we are this morning. This is the upper air look. And you can see a trough west of the state producing convection over parts of Texas and the Great Plains states. There's an upper low coming up into Canada and a ridge here across the southeastern states. The closest rain this morning, about 5 o'clock, western Louisiana and parts of eastern Texas. Raining Shreveport down toward Lake Charles, then back over to Dallas-Fort Worth. Some pretty heavy rain falling there. Temperatures this morning are mostly in the 50s and 60s. That's some of the cooler pockets in the 50s. Cullman 57, Jasper 55. But again, most spots are in the 60s. Highs upper 80s today. Maybe 90 in a few spots. We do note early this morning a dense fog advisory for parts of South Alabama. The county's in gray on that map. The fog will dissipate by mid-morning. West of the state, we have flash flood watches for parts of Louisiana and Texas, where they've got some flash flood warnings in effect. Otherwise, a quiet morning. Maybe some strong storms later today and tonight from Texas and Louisiana north into the southern Great Lakes. There's a slight risk out around Wichita Falls and Abilene, Texas. Tomorrow, a marginal risk from the Texas Panhandle up into parts of southern Nebraska. And on day 3, which is Saturday, a marginal risk over parts of West Texas. And we do note on day 5, Monday, a risk of severe storms for places like Oklahoma City, Wichita, and Omaha. But as we've seen for the past several weeks, all of that stays well to the west of Alabama. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days, and we'll see a pretty big spread here. This is suggesting rain amounts near the Tennessee state line, about 1 inch. Then for the Gulf Coast, nothing. So if you're beach-bound, weather looks good down there, but again, maybe a few showers. But I want to stress that this weekend rain, it's just not going to rain and rain and rain. The sun's going to be out at times, and the weather not that bad. So let's look at modeling. Model fans, this is the GFS, the 06C run, valid today at 4. Ridging here across the southeastern states, big trough well to the north and west. And again, for Alabama, the weather should be dry today. Upper 80s to near 90. Showers and thunderstorms off to the west. Here's the high-resolution HERD. This is valid this evening at 9 o'clock. And you can see a weakening band of showers approaching the Alabama-Mississippi state line. So we'll bring in the chance of a few showers tonight, especially after 10 or 11 o'clock on the western side of the state. And this is tomorrow. And again, you can see that we've got evidence of showers in here. And again, with the weak front approaching, but we stress it's not going to rain all day tomorrow. In fact, let's pull up the high-resolution HER model. This is valid tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock. And it's, yes, certainly a chance of rain, but you can see for a lot of places it's not going to be raining. The showers are looking random and scattered, and that's the theme for tomorrow and the weekend. Let's go to Saturday. A mixture of clouds and sunshine, highs in the 80s. Scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder in spots, but nothing severe. And quite frankly, the same thing on Sunday. Scattered showers a possibility, yes, but a decent chunk of the day dry, some sun, highs in the 80s. Let's go to next week. Monday looks pretty dry and warm. Better chance of showers to the north. Same thing Tuesday, and the same thing Wednesday. Much of next week looks pretty dry and pretty warm. Again, we'll see upper 80s on many days, and this is a week from today, Thursday, May 9th. Ridging over the Gulf of Mexico, troughing well to the north. And maybe a few isolated showers over North Alabama, but again, just nothing widespread. Let's keep going. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, May 11th. Troughing over the eastern states, and once again, we're dry. We'll check rain for Birmingham, and you really don't want to go into the summer with dry soil conditions. That's never good. That could set the stage for a pretty hot summer. So we need some rain here in May. This is the European, and again, we're looking for the green line on that chart. That's the mean of the ensemble members. And the good news, the numbers have come up a little bit. The mean is about 3 inches between now and the 17th of May. So hopefully out there toward mid-month, we'll see a little better chance of getting some meaningful rain in here. Hey, warm weather here to stay. Highs mid to upper 80s, lows mostly in the 60s. Again, I think the next time we're in the 40s, October. Summertime almost here. Latest 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for May 9th through May 15th. We're solidly in the red. Temperatures above average. And, of course, the good news with that, that'll keep the severe weather possibilities north and west of the state. Understand the tornado season here continues through the end of this month. And then on June 1st, we flip into the hurricane season. So got to leave a little early today. I'll be speaking this morning very shortly at the Birmingham Mayor's prayer breakfast downtown. Looking forward to that. And then after that, I will be at the School for Amazing Kids in Helena and then Concord Elementary School. Tomorrow, going to be at Cherokee Elementary School up in Gunnersville, up in Marshall County. And then Saturday, we've got a book signing in Birmingham at the Market at Pepper Place from 10 to noon. That's going to be a lot of fun. That's on 2nd Avenue South. And we expect to have a big crowd. There's always a big crowd for the market. All the farmers come in with the fruits and the produce and everything, and it's just a fun day. A lot of vendors there. I'll be speaking briefly, I think, about 9:45, but again, the book signing 10 until noon. So it's a Birmingham Metro book event. So come see us. We'll have all the shirts, Weather Dweeb stuff. All you can do is pray. Weathering Life, our Benny and Chipper series for kids. So again, that is Saturday from 10 to noon, the Market at Pepper Place in Birmingham. And of course, we'll invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.